Good morning all of you. Audio video clear? Welcome all of you. Please mention whether the audio video is clear. Hello, am I audible? So welcome back after 2-3 days. Actually last 2-3 days I had to do some paper analysis sessions for CSIR-NET exam as the official answer key was published and students wanted as the correction window was open, students wanted to challenge the answer key to help them out. I was taking 2 days completely was paper analysis session. That is why GATE course was not there yesterday and day before yesterday. So welcome back. So welcome all of you who are watching this live or recorded. This is a full-length GATE course for all GATE aspirants. Yeah, it will be good. Just wanted to know the crowd here. Can you mention which GATE exam you are preparing for, which subject GATE exam you are preparing for in the comments? Those who are watching this recording, can you mention it in the comments? And those of you who are watching this live, can you mention it in the live chat? Which subject among these? All these GATE aspirants, general aptitude section is same. So सारा GATE aspirants के लिए ये course common है. So you can invite your friends preparing for any of this GATE exam to attend this session. Science stream or engineering stream दोनों का GATE general aptitude same है. Okay, Excel, mathematics, physics, biotechnology, chemistry. Any engineering stream students here? And all of you try to invite your engineering stream friends also if you have any, so that they can also be part of it if they are preparing for GATE. But many engineering stream students don't know about these courses because primarily I teach for pure science streams. So if you can help out by reaching to more engineering stream students, that will be good. All these streams ये course equally useful होगा. Statistics students भी है. Okay, happy to see you all. So students from different streams are attending the session. So happy to see that. So let us start. For the new people, this is the bio of me and these are the details of the Telegram channel and WhatsApp group. And for this GATE course alone, there is a Telegram channel also. The link of that channel is given in the description of this video, and all other free resources I have provided are there in the link description of this video. And these are the books I have written, and this is the bestseller book for CSIR-NET exam general aptitude section. So this is a full-length schedule of this course. We have already completed 7 lectures. वो lectures का recording already available है. If you have missed any of them, वो recording देख सकता है. आज 8th lecture है. First 40 lectures non-verbal ability का है. ये 40 lectures बाकी exam के लिए भी useful होगा because most of the competitive exam more or less ये syllabus ही है. Yeah, some topics are different, but first 40 lectures will be very useful for exams like CSIR, SET, DBT, etc. And last 10 lectures verbal ability तो सिर्फ GATE में है, CSIR और बाकी exams में नहीं है. कुछ exams में है लेकिन most of the exam does not have verbal ability. Okay, so without much intro, let's start today's session. M.Sc, B.Sc किसी भी subject में हो GATE exam. B.Sc no, not possible Pratisha. After you start doing M.Sc only you can apply for GATE exam if you are B.Sc M.Sc stream. And engineering streams after B.Tech they can try for M.Tech admission this GATE score, and for many PSUs or many government institutions to get admissions or get job also, this GATE score will help. That are some of the prospects of GATE. There are other prospects also. That is a content for a separate lecture. What are the prospects after you clear GATE exam? Okay, so anyway, let us start. Last class I have taught you some basic idea of permutation combination, और मैंने बताया था permutation कब use करना है, combination कब use करना है. Those who attended that lecture, those who haven't attended that lecture, दोनों के लिए I will try to give you some questions so that you can answer me how to do it. Questions based on what I taught you last class. Permutation कब use करना है, combination कब use करना है. Based on this theory we have discussed in the last class. So multiplication rule, addition rule clear है ना, last class में discuss किया था. Fundamental principle of counting, and means multiplication, or means addition, that is addition rule. And so can you try this question? Yeah, this question all of you try. A similar question we have discussed. We will quickly revise what we discussed last class and then continue to the next area of permutation combination. Yes, biotech for engineering stream. Yes, not only completed students, for engineering stream third year itself. Very true. Yes, Rohit. Pratusha, you have to check the notification. I am not sure about it. Subject and eligibility, everything in the IIT website you can find it. Very good. Some of you already got the answer. So I told you last class, order matters or order not matters, that you need to analyze first properly. If only selection is needed, order does not matter, then combination. If selection is needed and then reordering, that means order matters, then permutation, or uska simple variation I told you, instead of using permutation, you can just directly apply fundamental principle of counting, so that there is no confusion when to use permutation combination. You just completely forget permutation and learn only combination, and then for permutation question fundamental principle of counting use करना. GATE exam, SET exam, NET exam, ये level का exams में इतना ही काफ़ी है. Higher exams में permutation का भी कुछ formula, permutation का formula से कुछ question थोड़ा और easy हो जाएगा. वहाँ पे भी you can use fundamental principle of counting. So anyway, this question, 6 players, the manager has to select 2 players. One of them as forward and other as defender. How many ways? Last class I told you forward, there it was 5 people, here it is 6 people. Forward can be chosen in 6 ways, defender can be chosen in 5 ways. Fundamental principle of counting use kiya, to 6 into 5, 30 ways are there. Each of the 6 ways you are choosing forward, there are 5 ways for the defender. Remaining 5 people. Why remaining 5 people? The person who is forward cannot be the defender. So 6 into 5, 30 is the answer. Are you all understanding? But if the same question was asking how many players can be chosen, selected from 5 players, then 5C2 is the easy way. Because their selection only matters. You don't have to reorder. So 5C2 means 5 into 4 divided by 1 into 2 hoga. That is 10. This we already discussed in the last class. These are 2 examples when to use combination, when not to use combination. पिछले क्वेश्चन में combination use नहीं किया, fundamental principle of counting use किया, क्योंकि वहाँ पे order matter करेगा. A forward, B defender, B forward, A defender, ये दोनों different cases है. Order matter कर रहा है. Order matter कर रहा तो ऐसा करना. Order matter नहीं कर रहा तो ऐसा करना. Just selection. I'll show you 2-3 more examples. Try it fast. Post your answer in the chat.
Name from laptop domain 5 TB.
Okay, most of you got it. So select leadership team. 7 में से 3 people को select करना है. So 7C 3 ways are there. That is 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 1 into 2 into 3. That is 6 cancels, 35 will be the answer. Because each of the people in that leadership team have the same preference itself. ए को सेलेक्ट करने के बाद बी को सेलेक्ट करना और सी को सेलेक्ट करना, सी को सेलेक्ट करने के बाद बी को सेलेक्ट करने के बाद ए को सेलेक्ट करना, ये दोनों डिफरेंट केसेस नहीं है, ये दोनों सेम है. यू कैन नॉट राइट इट अगेन. मतलब ऑर्डर मैटर नहीं करेगा, सिर्फ सिलेक्शन मैटर करेगा. सिर्फ सिलेक्शन मैटर करेगा तो कॉम्बिनेशन यूज करना. आई एम रिवाइजिंग व्हाट आई टॉट यू लास्ट क्लास. होप ऑल ऑफ यू आर रिमेंबरिंग दीज थिंग्स. Then now to give you more clarity, try this question, then you will understand each aspects I have taught you last class. Try this, all of you. Same question or same data itself. 7 में से 3 people को select करना है. But what is different from the previous question? वो तीनों people का कुछ speciality है. क्या speciality है? तीनों people का 3 roles है, 3 different roles है. मतलब order matter करेगा. You cannot take 7C3 35 as the answer. Why 35 is not the answer? Because one should be GM, general manager, second being manager or assistant manager, or 3 different roles, and third being assistant manager. Some companies general manager means the same, but we can think that these are 3 different roles. So ये general manager को choose करने के लिए 7 ways are there ना. क्यों 7 ways are there? Because 7 people are there. वो 7 people को equal chance है general manager होने का. मतलब 7 possibility for general manager choosing. Now manager को choose करने के लिए सिर्फ 6 ways बचा है. क्यों? The person who is general manager cannot be the manager. And assistant manager को 5 ways because these 2 people cannot be assistant managers. So fundamental principle of counting use किया तो 7 into 6 into 5 will be the answer. I hope all of you are understanding 7 into 6 into 5 how. That is 200 and 7 into 6 into 5 na. Option is not giving 7 into 6 into 5. Okay, no problem. Answer should be corrected. 210 it should be. Options, don't worry. Think that this is 210. Option C, 210. All of you understood this? When order matters, when order does not matter. ये idea clear है तो बहुत सारा question ये idea से ही कर सकता है. That is the next topic that we need to discuss today. So, for example, number based question भी ऐसा कर सकता है. Number based question. You try to fix each positions. So how to fix each positions? Let's understand. All of you try this super fast. Yeah, I will give the timer also so that you get an idea how much time you are spending. One and a half minutes will be enough, I guess. One and a half minutes to try it fast. All of you. Okay, the time is up. So yeah, those of you who want to be part of the Telegram channel for this course, the link is tagged in the chat. There you can get all the study materials and PDF. Sorry. So yeah, the PDF of permutation combination I didn't upload, as I told. Last 2 days I was busy with the paper analysis session. So today it will be uploaded. The last 2 classes, permutation combination lectures, PDF together as a single PDF you will get, as today we are completing this topic. So how many 3-digit numbers can be formed such that the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 without repetition of digits allowed? Like you did, yes, the previous question, general manager, manager, assistant manager, we can say that there are 3 positions to be filled in. Here it is digits, there it was people. There it was people and here it is digits, that's the only difference. Audio video clear now? Yes. Okay, so first digit can be filled in how many ways? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 ways you can fill it now. Second position, repetition is not allowed. The digit that you used here cannot be used here. So 4 ways only. Similarly, these 2 digits fixed cannot be changed. So this can be filled in 3 ways. So fundamental principle of counting use किया था, ये तीनों एक साथ fill कर सकता है 5 into 4 into 3. That is 60 ways. All of you understood 60 how? 3 digit number पूछा है. 4 digit number था तो 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 2 होगा. 5 digit number होगा तो 5 factorial होगा. Yes, Falcon, I will come to all those cases, don't worry. Yeah, with the repetition, can you try it? 1 minute will be enough. Hold your answer, all of you. You're welcome, Preeti. Yes, Prakhar, thank you. Don't worry, all of your doubts that can come into your mind is already included as slides in this course. Don't worry. Repetition allowed is the next question itself. I will explain one, Tasha. Sorry, this is without repetition itself. No, sorry. Last question. Okay, sorry. My mistake. I read the question wrong. Okay, that is what you were asking now. With repetition, previous question was with repetition. Without repetition is what I explained. With repetition means you can take 5 here, 5 possibility, 5 possibility. This can be filled with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any digit is okay. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any digit is okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any digit is okay. So 5 into 5 into 5, 125. I read it wrong. I read it without. With the repetition है तो you can use the same digit. मतलब 333 एक valid example है ये 3 digit number का. लेकिन without repetition है तो that is what I explained earlier. 5 possibility for the first position. This is like that general manager, assistant manager, manager question. Assistant manager cannot be the manager also. Same way, this digit whichever occupied, that cannot come here also. So 4 possibility only. So 3 possibility only. So 5 into 4 into 360. Did you understand the difference? 125 or 60 कब आएगा? All clear? Yes, Swati. Yes, Falcon. Yeah, now only I realized that I have read it wrong. I thought you people were asking doubt regarding without replacement. Okay, then try this. Let's see different variations of these kinds of question. Permutation combination is a very broad unit. There are different types of question that can come. Number based, letter based. Same question letter based आया तो that is called anagram problem. That also I will show you. GATE exam directly haven't asked anagram problem yet, but that can be asked because it is all same idea. गीतांजलि previous class में मैंने बताया था permutation you don't have to use fundamental principle of counting use करना, that is a better way. School days taught us there are only 2 things for permutation या combination. That is wrong. If we think that way, many questions will become more complicated. That is why we are not doing so. As I had told in the first class, I am trying to make you unlearn what you learned in school days and relearn it in a better way. Any answers? So read the question properly and answer. Okay, so I'll explain how many 3-digit odd numbers can be formed. So I hope all of you know what is an odd number. Odd number का last digit odd digit होना चाहिए. Odd digit means 13579. लेकिन 13579 में हमारे पास सिर्फ 135 है ना, मतलब last digit. So in these kinds of question, how to start the question or where to start the question is very important. In the previous question we started from filling this position, this position, this position. ऐसा start किया तो भी गलत नहीं है. This position first, this question first, this question, this position next. लेकिन यहाँ पे ऐसा possible नहीं है. यहाँ पे constraint कहाँ से शुरू होता है? Constraint is last digit को एक restriction है. Restriction क्या है? वहाँ पे even digits possible नहीं है. Odd number होने के लिए last digit odd हो सकता है, बाकी दो digits कुछ भी हो सकता है ना. So here only 3 possibilities are there. Are you all understanding 3 possibility? 1, 1, 3 and 5. And repetition is allowed. So here 5 and 5 is possible. So 5 into 5 into 3, 75 is the answer. All of you clear na? Same question. If it is without repetition what will happen? I will answer it. You people can try it and post your answer. Without repetition you should be careful there. As I told, you should start from the position that have a restriction. Restriction is there for the last digit ना. So वहाँ से start करना है. There is 3 possibilities to fill that. 1, 3, 5. Odd digit पूछा है ना, odd number पूछा है ना. So यहाँ पे odd number होना चाहिए. So 3 possibility. But now repetition is not allowed. Without repetition allowed. Whichever digit used here cannot be used here, cannot be used here. That means here there is only 4 possibility remaining. Yeah, actually here any of the 4 possibilities are possible. Here any of the 5 possibilities are possible. So 5 into 4 into 3 will be the answer. 5 into 4 into 3, 60. Are you all understanding the point? How 60? One second. Yeah, it will be 60 na. Any doubts? Okay, not 5 into 4, 4 into 3 na. We cannot use here. So total not 6. 4 into 3. Sorry, my mistake. It should be 4 into 3 because here you have fixed a digit. That digit, total 5 digit, not 6 digit. I miscalculated it as 6 digit. So 5 digit में एक digit already fixed है. So वो digit use नहीं कर सकता. So 4 possibility here. Similarly 3 possibility only remaining here. Whichever digit fixed here cannot be used here. And whichever digit fixed, these 2 positions cannot be fixed here. So 4 into 3 into 3, that is 12 into 3, 36. So option C, 36 is the answer. All of you understood? Yes. So 4 into 3 into 3, 3 into 4 into 3, all are same. Unit digit is fixed. Yes. No, Biotech is odd position. This is the odd position. Odd position is the right na. Unit place में odd digit होना चाहिए. Unit place में odd number होने के लिए सारा numbers odd होना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं है. Odd numbers पूछा है. Numbers with all digits odd नहीं पूछा है. Odd numbers के लिए सिर्फ last digit odd होना काफी है. 223 odd है. Even if 2 and 2 are not odd numbers, 3 odd number है, that is enough. Then what about this? No, this we already discussed, na? This we already discussed. Yeah, this is no. Yeah, this one you please try. Very fast. Very simple concept only, but I'm trying to combine the concepts you already know, so that you will understand all these questions are same itself. It's all about understanding question properly and doing it. Shaishta, which question you're asking? Last में odd number होना चाहिए. Yes, Ayushi, last में odd number होना चाहिए. शाइस्टा, प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में डाउट है तो व्हाट आई टोल्ड अस, लास्ट डिजिट ऑड नंबर होना चाहिए. 1 3 5 में कितना ऑड नंबर्स है? सॉरी 1 1 2 3 4 5 में 3 ऑड नंबर्स है ना, तो 3 पॉसिबिलिटीज फॉर फिक्सिंग दिस. मतलब इसमें से एक पॉसिबिलिटी डिलीट हो गया, बाकी 2 and 4 बचा है, सो 4 पॉसिबिलिटी बचा है. तो 4 ways to fix the another position and 3 ways to fix the third position. So 4 into 3 into 3. That is the idea. Those of you had doubt about previous question. और ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर क्या होगा? 5 digit नंबर पूछा है. 5 digit means 5 into 4 into 3 with repetition or without repetition. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 होगा. Are you understanding? Or in other words 5 factorial होगा. This is the concept of anagrams also. Anagram question का concept है ये, because in anagram question all the letters available you need to use. All the letters available you need to use. I will show you an anagram question. This is a typical anagram question. Can you try it? Now you can relate letter question to number question. And then we will see more questions of GATE previous year questions, so that the concepts you learned you will be able to practice. बहुत ही सिली क्वेश्चन है ना, बट दिस सिली क्वेश्चन से हम कॉन्सेप्ट ज़्यादा लर्न कर रहा है. हाउ मेनी वेज कैन द लेटर्स ABC अरेंज मीन्स 3 पोजिशंस इज फिक्स. 3 लेटर्स है तो 3 पोजिशन, और 3 पोजिशन में कितना वेज अरेंज कर सकता है? 3 into 2 into 1. जस्ट लाइक प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन ना, 5 डिजिट्स 5 पोजिशन में फिल करने के लिए 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 वेज है. सो 3 लेटर्स 3 पोजिशन में फिक्स करने के लिए 3 into 2 into 1 वेज है. और इन अदर वर्ड्स n लेटर्स n पोजिशन में फिक्स करने के लिए n फैक्टोरियल वेज है. एनाग्राम का बेसिक आइडिया ये है, n फैक्टोरियल. 3 into 2 into 1 is 3 फैक्टोरियल ना. वंस अगेन आई विल एक्सप्लेन विथ दीज ABC लेटर्स इटसेल्फ. a फिक्स कर सकता है यहाँ, ऐसा 2 पॉसिबिलिटी है, ABCB ACBCB. b फिक्स करके ऐसा 2 पॉसिबिलिटी है, BAC BCA. सिमिलरली C फिक्स करके CAB CBC CBA. These are the 3 into 2 into 1 6 possibility. Logically also understand there are 3 ways to fix the first position, A, B, C. For each of the 3 ways there is 2 into 1 ways, 2 ways to fix the second and third positions. That way you understand it, then you will not make a mistake. How much complicated is the question? So if it is A, B, C, D, E, what will be the answer? 5 letters of 5 factorial na. First position can be fixed in 5 ways, second in 4, third in 3, fourth in 2 and fifth in 1 way. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 120 ways. Then what about if an extra condition is given? Previous in the number question I explained about odd number. Similarly letter case maybe you can give an extra condition like this. Can you make a try, all of you? We need to cover this topic or complete this topic today itself, so we need to go a little more faster. In the last class also I told you, more than this combination idea or permutation idea, fundamental principle of counting is what you need to be more flexible with, because most of the question that idea is needed. Counting principle. Okay, many of you got it, so I'll start explaining in how many ways the letters A, B, C, D, E be arranged such that B and D always together. मतलब एक रेस्ट्रिक्शन आ गया, बी और डी ये लेटर टुगेदर होना चाहिए. टुगेदर होने के लिए लेट अस कंसिडर देम एज अ सिंगल लेटर. बी डी एक सिंगल लेटर है. अभी ए सी डी मतलब सिर्फ 4 लेटर्स है. 4 लेटर नॉर्मली 4 फैक्टोरियल वेज में अरेंज कर सकता है ना. बी डी ए सी एंड डी, नॉट डी, सॉरी, E. BD is a letter, A is a letter, C is a letter, E is a letter. So 4 letters only, 4 factorial ways. But is 4 factorial the answer? 4 factorial is 24. Is it the correct answer? No. Because BD को internally DBB लिख सकता है ना, DB, वो भी BD always together वाला केस है ना, BD DB दोनों possible है. और in other words, internally a group के अंदर 2 factorial ways you can rearrange them. Internally you can rearrange them in 2 factorial or n factorial ways. Are you all understanding? Please respond. So 2 factorial 2 and इसके बाद fundamental principle of counting. Internal arrangement 2 factorial है, external arrangement 4 factorial है. दोनों एक साथ होने का chance 2 factorial into 4 factorial 48 होगा. Are you all understanding this? Please respond. All of you understood? That is how 48 is the answer. Then what about this? Can you find this? These are different ways questions can be asked in competitive exams. Fundamental principle of counting, Rohit. Last class में discuss किया था ना. One thing can be done in m ways, another thing in n ways. Both the thing together can be done in m into n ways. Or those people who are confused about it, I will tell you an example. If it is like the word ANT, or I'll take a 4-letter word FOUR. How many ways the vowels O and U can come together? So OU together FR. There are 3 letters only. So OU FR is a possibility. FOUR is a possibility. FROU is possibility. Those of you are not clear about the concept, listen once again. I am teaching you in detail. अभी ये 3 possibility है. That is why 3 fact. One second. FOUR when you write, where OU should be together, so you should consider OU as a single letter and F and R. So OU FR is a possibility. OU RF is also a possibility. OU first position mein OU FR and OU RF is possible. Similarly, FOUR is a possibility. FROUF is a possibility. Similarly, OU last position में आ सकता है. FROU, RFOU. But by that idea, it should be 3 factorial 6 now. But is it actually 6? OU can be together not only in the 6 ways. For each of these 6 ways, OU को replace करके UO लिख सकता है. UO. मतलब 6 plus 6 or 2 times 6 or 2 factorial times 3 factorial will be the final answer. Now is it clear? Those of you have doubt, please mention. Why we are multiplying, I think you got an idea. Because for each of these 6 cases, there is 2 factorial ways of rearranging OU. OU सिर्फ 2 letters है, इसलिए 2 factorial या 2 मिलेगा. 3 letters है तो 3 नहीं, 3 factorial arrangement है. वो internal arrangement. So internal arrangement into external arrangement is the idea. So ये question कैसा करना है? Complement idea use करना है. That is the thing. Total arrangement से BD together वाला arrangement कम करना है. Total arrangement से. Total arrangement से means A, B, C, D, E 5 letter totally can be rearranged in 5 factorial ways. I already explained. BD together कितना ways है? I already told you. 2 factorial into 4 factorial. So 5 factorial 120 minus 4 factorial 24 into 2 48. That is 72. Because total में से हमें BD together नहीं होना चाहिए. So BD together वाला case total से कम किया तो मिलेगा ना. Are you all understanding? Please respond. So these are the different variations of anagram problem. Now comes the case when if there is a repetition. If there is a repetition, I will show you that also. For example, this question. This question all of you try. Yes, Vilas. OU, UO both possible. So try this. Those of you are watching this session live or recorded, do comment or comment and like this video so that this video can be shared to maximum people and more people be part of this free initiative. Very good. Some of you already got it. So here there is a problem. There is a 6-letter word. We know that 6-letter word है तो normally 6 factorial ways में rearrange कर सकता है. 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. लेकिन ऐसा rearrange किया तो यहाँ पे repetition आ रहा है. 6 factorial तो 720 है. 720 different words are there. That is what we are claiming. लेकिन वो words में, for example, if I rearrange N C C H A या NCCHAE, उसके बाद ये C को रीऑर्डर किया तो CC ही मिलेगा. That is not a different words, but all those words are counted in this 720. That is why there are many duplicated words. वो duplicated words को avoid करना है. उसके लिए चांस रीअरेंज कर सकता है 6 फैक्टोरियल वेज में, लेकिन ये C 2 बार ओकर कर रहा है इसलिए 2 फैक्टोरियल से डिवाइड करना है. C 2 बार ओकर कर रहा है इसलिए 2 फैक्टोरियल से डिवाइड करना है. 3 बार ओकर किया तो 3 फैक्टोरियल से डिवाइड करना है. 2 लेटर्स 2 बार ओकर कर रहा तो 2 फैक्टोरियल 2 बार डिवाइड करना है. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग द पॉइंट? दैट इज टू डिलीट द डुप्लीकेटेड वर्ड्स, डबल वर्ड्स. Again, if you are not clear about that, I will show you an example. If the word is EYE, how many ways you can rearrange? E and E are same now. So if you try to rearrange EYE, EEY and YEE, YEE again, EYE, EEY. These are the rearrangement if all the letters were different. Like this is E1, this is E2, E1, E2, E1, E2. E2 E1, E2 E1, E2 E1. लेकिन E2 E1 नहीं है ना एक्चुअली. इफ देयर वर डिफरेंट 6 पॉसिबिलिटीज होगा, लेकिन इसमें आधा डुप्लीकेट्स है. आधा मतलब 1/2 फैक्टोरियल ऑफ इट आर डुप्लीकेट्स. इसलिए 1/2 फैक्टोरियल से मल्टीप्लाई करना है 3 फैक्टोरियल को. दैट इज हाउ 3 फैक्टोरियल by 2 फैक्टोरियल डायरेक्टली यू कैन से, because this is duplicate, this is duplicate, this is duplicate. आधा ओनली ओरिजिनल है, बाकी आधा डुप्लीकेट्स है. इसलिए आधा से या 1/2 फैक्टोरियल से डिवाइड करना है, सॉरी 1/2 फैक्टोरियल से मल्टीप्लाई करना है या 2 फैक्टोरियल से डिवाइड करना है. दैट इज ओनली 3 ways. Are you all understanding? That is a basic idea. If one letter is occurring twice, you need to divide by 2 factorial. Sir, for Malayalam say this. Okay, Biotech is asking if the word was Malayalam, so I will repeat, I will explain for that. All of you can try. Chance के जगह word Malayalam है तो be careful. Due to lack of time, I will start explaining. You can also try and post the answer in the chat. मलयालम में कितना लेटर्स है? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 लेटर्स है, सो 9 फैक्टोरियल अरेंजमेंट में. उसमें m 2 बार ओकर कर रहा है, सो 2 फैक्टोरियल से डिवाइड करो. a 1 2 3 4 बार ओकर कर रहा है, इसलिए 4 फैक्टोरियल से डिवाइड करो. l 2 बार ओकर कर रहा है, इसलिए 2 फैक्टोरियल से अगेन डिवाइड करो. दिस विल बी द आंसर. आई डोंट वांट टू कैलकुलेट, यू कैन कैलकुलेट इट. सो यस अमित, वेरी गुड. So I hope this is clear to all of you how to do anagram problem. These are called anagram problem, word rearrangement problem. I'll give you homework for you. Ears, vowels together. Vowels means A, E, I, O, U. यहाँ पे E and A are the vowels. कितना? So the idea there is internal arrangement into external arrangement. इंटरनली वो वोवेल्स को इंटरनली कितना बार रीअरेंज कर सकता है, एक्सटर्नली वोवेल्स टुगेदर आने वाला केस कितना है रीअरेंजमेंट में. दैट इज हाउ टू डू इट. आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड दिस एंड दीज आर लिटिल मोर टफर वर्ड. सेम कॉन्सेप्ट इटसेल्फ. फुटबॉल कितने बार रीअरेंज कर सकता है? ऑप्शन डी होगा आंसर. ऑलवेज कमिंग टुगेदर, ऑप्शन डी होगा आंसर. Never come together, option C होगा आंसर. Check it out. So I think we can move on. As I need to complete this session today, we will move on. Now we will see CSIR-NET questions. Sorry, for gate previous year questions of this. Make a try with this question, digit based question. All of you try it. I'll give you 1.5 minutes maximum.
Playing from laptop domain 5 TB.
Those who want the previous lectures, in case you have missed it and want to get the playlist, I am tagging the playlist also in the chat. Playlist of all the previous lectures. Any answers for this? Some of you already got. Very good. How many integers are there between 100 and 1000? All of those digits are even. All digits are even. Number even नहीं, all digits are even. लेकिन number 100 और 1000 के बीच में है. 0 to 1000 नहीं, 100 to 1000 है. So rightmost digit क्या क्या possible है? Rightmost digit. Again, here nothing is mentioned. So definitely here digit repetition is possible. Because normally numbers, 3-digit numbers में digit repetition भी possible है ना. 222 is a valid 3-digit number. So as nothing mentioned, you can use repetition of digits also. So यहाँ पे even number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 5 possibilities are there. Here also 5 possibility. But be careful. Here only 4 possibility. Why 4 possibility? Because 0 you cannot include here. Number starts from 1 to 999 or 1 to 9 only. 1 to 9 में even numbers सिर्फ 2, 4, 6, 8, 4 है. अभी fundamental principle of counting 4 into 5 into 5, 100 is the answer. Super easy ना? You can list out that 100 numbers also, but that is not a smart way. That is normal counting way. Normal counting को improvise कर रहा है fundamental principle of counting से. वो एक counting principle है easy बनाने के लिए. Instead of writing 122 or 220 is a possibility, 222 is a possibility. ऐसा 100 possibility लिखना practical नहीं है ना, इसलिए principle of counting use कर रहा है. ऐसा है तो इसका एक difficult, थोड़ा और difficult version try कर रहा है हम. Yes Ayushi, yes Amit, yes Ranjita, very good. Many of you are explaining well in the chat also. Keep it up. That will help others also to learn more. And if you are learning the concepts, do hit the like button. That will help me also to understand that you are understanding properly. Hundred and 1000 are included, but Amit, 100 and 1000 does not have all digits even na, so we don't have to worry about it. 100 का 1 तो even नहीं है, 1000 का 1 भी even नहीं है. Previous question में doubt क्या है रोहित, please mention. Rohit and new students, if you have missed the previous class, last class, please check out that. That is where we started permutation combination and explain many basic ideas of permutation combination. Some of the ideas today I am discussing is based on those ideas we discussed last class also. Okay, so this question I will explain. In 4-digit integer numbers from 1001 to 9999, the digit group 37 appears how many times? Digit group 37. So here you need to first categorize what all are possible. 4-digit numbers सारा 4-digit number allowed है. So first 2 digit कुछ भी हो सकता है, last 2 digits 37 होना. That is a possibility ना. Digit group 37 same order में होना चाहिए. 307 allowed नहीं है, 37 ही होना चाहिए. Are you all understanding? So ये एक possibility है. एक और पॉसिबिलिटी x के बाद 37 उसके बाद y, ये भी एक पॉसिबिलिटी है. तीसरा पॉसिबिलिटी 37 उसके बाद x एंड y. ऐसा 3 पॉसिबिलिटीज है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. अभी हम चेक कर रहा है x एंड y क्या क्या फिल कर सकता है. x एंड y क्या क्या फिल कर सकता है. ये 37 एक ही वे में पॉसिबल है, लेकिन ये x फिल करने के लिए कितना पॉसिबिलिटीज है. x फर्स्ट पोजीशन में आया तो 1 to 9 ही यूज कर सकता है. सो 9 पॉसिबिलिटी. यहां पे 1 to 9 किसी भी डिजिट यूज कर सकता है ना. और ये y you can repeat the digit as question does not mention that you cannot repeat, so you can repeat the digits. So 9 possibility nahi, 10 possibility. Are you understanding why 10 possibility? Please respond. Because y can take 0 also. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 into 10 into 1, ये 37 एक ही बार फिक्स कर सकता है ना. So 90 possibility for this only. Are you understanding 90 possibility y? Where x and y के बाद 37 आ रहा है. For example 1 0 3 7 1 1 3 7 2 1 3 7 etc. All these are included in this 90 possibility. Where last 2 positions are 37. अभी next possibility, middle 2 digits are 37. वहां पे भी x का possibility 9 है, y का possibility 10 है. 37 का possibility एक ही है. So 9 into 1 into 10, 90 itself. Finally 37 के बाद x and y आना, 37 इनिशियली आना. यहां पे x का पॉसिबिलिटी 37 का एक ही पॉसिबिलिटी है, x का 10 पॉसिबिलिटीज है ना. क्यों? x लेफ्ट मोस्ट डिजिट में नहीं है. सो 0 to 9 आ सकता है, 10 पॉसिबिलिटी. y का भी 10 पॉसिबिलिटी है. सो 100 पॉसिबिलिटीज है. आर यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस मच? प्लीज रेस्पॉन्ड. So 100 plus 90 plus 90, 280 will be the answer. Now I know that there may be some doubts. One second, did I make a mistake? Yeah, 100 plus 90 plus 90, 280 will be the answer. Some of you may have a doubt whether I have counted some numbers twice. Like what if ये xy 37 है, ये xy भी 37 है. वो नंबर 2 बार काउंट किया है ना. हाँ, नंबर 2 बार काउंट कर सकता है, क्योंकि कितना बार 37 अपीयर कर रहा है इस द क्वेश्चन. 37 अपीयर करने वाला कितना नंबर्स है ये नहीं है क्वेश्चन. इफ दैट वाज द क्वेश्चन 280 minus 1 279 विल बी द आंसर. एवरी वर्ड इन द क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यहां पे क्वेश्चन क्या है? 37 कितना बार अपीयर कर रहा है. 280 नंबर्स में अपीयर नहीं कर रहा है, सिर्फ 279 डिफरेंट नंबर्स में अपीयर कर रहा है. लेकिन एक नंबर में 37 2 बार अकर कर रहा है. 3737 वो नंबर में वो 2 बार काउंट करना है ना, क्योंकि कितना टाइम्स, कितना काउंटिंग है, दैट इज अ क्वेश्चन. कितना नंबर्स है ये नहीं है क्वेश्चन. Not visible. Okay, I will use a different marker here. 1 into 10 into 10, 100, adding up 280. 100 plus 90 plus 90. All of you understood this? Please respond. Is this clear or not? Why 90, Muskan? Okay, sorry. 1 second. 1 to 9. 4-digit numbers from 1001 to 29999. Yes, Rohit. Just a minute. Question is not including 1000, nah? Okay, question is asking 1001 onwards. That will change. 1000 to 9999 था तो 280 होगा, सॉरी ये 100 होगा, ये 100 से 1 कम करना है. 9 you cannot use. No, that is wrong, because only 1001 is excluded. Yeah, 1000. Yeah, that is also not a problem. Sorry. 100 itself, it is correct only. 1001 to 999 इसका मीनिंग ये नहीं है यूनिट डिजिट में जीरो यूज नहीं कर सकता. यूनिट डिजिट में जीरो यूज कर सकता है. 1000 ऑलरेडी 37 इंक्लूडेड नंबर नहीं है ना, सो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज 3700 वैलिड है ना, 3710 वैलिड है ना, 3720 वैलिड है ना, ऑल दोस आर वैलिड. सो दैट इज व्हाई 280 विल बी द आंसर. Why 0 to 9, Muskan? Can you explain it? Three 3700 to 3799. Yes, 100 numbers that are Falcon. Now clear. Okay, everyone clear now. मैं एक और बार summarize कर रहा हूँ. I'm summarizing one more time. 37xy is possible. x37y is possible. xy37 is also possible. xy37 also is possible. 37xy का 1 into 10 into 10 possibilities है. x37y का 9 into 1 into 10 possibilities है. xy37 का 9 into 10 into 1 possibilities है. So 100, 90, 90, 280 possibilities है. That is what I have explained. Yeah, if you already don't have a doubt, 37 में doubt नहीं है तो forget about that. Some of you are confused about that part, but if you already didn't had a doubt about 3737, there is no problem there. That is what I told Biotech. Okay, listen, उसमें doubt है तो ये number 3737 ये list में भी है. It is there in this list also, this list also. But you need to, in this list I counted this one time only. In this list I counted one time. You can count it 2 times. Why? Because how many times 37 is occurring is the question. How many numbers have 37 in it is not the question. If the question is asking how many numbers have 37 in it, then the answer is not 280. It is 1 less than that. Because 37 is counted 2 times. You cannot count it 2 times in that question. Which question? If the question is asking in 4-digit integer numbers from 1001 to 9999, the digit group 37 is appearing in how many 3-digit numbers? Sorry, how many numbers? How many numbers question पूछा है तो 279 होना चाहिए answer. That is what I told. Okay, if that is clear, let's go to the next question. This question, a similar question we have discussed already now, so try it. This is a gate exam question. All these are gate exam questions. The last 3-4 questions we are discussing. Why 281, Ranjita? We already counted, na? No, Ranjita, it is like in that xy 37, there I have counted 37 once. 37xy I have counted 37 once. So that is counted 2 times already. Now again don't count once again. That is why 280 is coming now. Is it clear? In both the list I already have counted 37. All of you, tomorrow also lecture will be there, 11 o'clock. Next topic we will start. And homework questions will be uploaded in the Telegram channel. So be part of the Telegram channel and mobile application to get further updates. In the mobile application, I am planning to start a batch itself so that you people can get all the materials and all from there also. Okay, so I'll explain. How many 4-digit numbers can be formed with the digits 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9? No number can start with 0. That is obvious, na? No number can start with 0. 4-digit number, and if repetitions are not allowed, repetitions allowed है तो simple था, यहाँ पे repetition not allowed है. So constraint कहाँ पे है? यहाँ पे है ना, leftmost position में है. So वहाँ से start करो. Don't start from rightmost position because the constraint is here. The restriction is in this position. That leftmost digit cannot be 0. So 9 possibility only to fill the leftmost digit. 1, 2, 3 up to 9. But whichever repetition is not allowed, whichever digit you have fixed here, that cannot be used here. So 9 possibility here also. Because 0 extra is available. 0 and 8 possibility. So 9 possibility. Now 2 digits fixed. So here 8 possibility. 3 digit fixed. So here 7 possibility. Fundamental principle of counting. Multiplying it, you will get the answer. 81 into 56, that will be 4536. 4536. I hope all of you understood this. GATE 2015 problem. Then try this question, another number based question asked in GATE. Yes, Ayushi, that is a suggestion to all of you. If you people can like this video and share it to more people, that will help this kind of initiatives to run more, and I will be able to plan more free initiatives like this. So all of you try this here, and there is an extra condition, so carefully try it. The number of 3-digit numbers such that the digit 1 is never to the immediate right of 2. Never to the immediate right of 2 means, for example, if I take 1, 2, 1, 1 is to the immediate right of 2. This is not allowed. That is the meaning. Are you all understanding? But 1, 2, 8 is okay because 1 is to the left of 2. That is allowed. So here 1 never to the immediate right of 2, वो बहुत सारा केसेस है ना, वो सब लिस्ट करना बहुत ही मुश्किल होगा, इसलिए कॉम्प्लीमेंट आइडिया यूज करना है. वो अनाग्राम क्वेश्चन में भी लेटर्स A and B और B and D डस नॉट कम टुगेदर फाइंड करने के लिए टोटल केसेस से नॉट कमिंग टुगेदर, सॉरी कमिंग टुगेदर केस सब्ट्रैक्ट किया ना. इवन प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑल्सो वी यूज द कॉम्प्लीमेंट आइडिया. हियर ऑल्सो total 3-digit numbers minus 1 right of 2. Right means immediate right of 2 arrangement कम करना काफी है. Total 3-digit numbers कितना है? That you can directly find. 100 to 999. 1 to 999, 999 numbers है. उसमें first 99 numbers 3 digits नहीं है. So 999 minus 99, 900 3-digit numbers है. अभी 1 right of 2, immediate right of 2 means you can say first digit can be anything, but second digit 2 and third digit 1. This is one possibility, or 2 1x also is a possibility. Are you all understanding these two? Like the previous question 37 वाला case जैसा 1 immediate right of 2 का possibility हम लिस्ट कर रहे हैं, वो टोटल से कम किया तो हमारा रिक्वायर्ड आंसर मिलेगा. This is not our required answer. Total minus this is our required answer. 1 immediate right of 2 कितना तरीके से मिल सकता है, that is what we are checking. So यहाँ पे x का कितना possibilities है? 3 digit numbers है, so x का 9 possibilities है. So 9 into 1 ways are there ना, 9 into 1 ways. यहाँ पे or means addition. 2 1x, ये x last digit में है, so 10 possibility है. 1 into 10, so 9 into 1 plus 1 into 10, 19. So 900 minus 19 possibility, that is 781 is the answer. Those who are confused which are those 19 possibility, I will list it out once again. 119, sorry 121, sorry 121, 221, 321, 421 up to 921. That are these 9 into 1 possibility. Now these 10 possibility, which are they? 210, 211 up to 219. These are the 10 possibility. These 19 possibility 3 digit number से कम किया तो आंसर मिलेगा. लेकिन ऐसा मल्टीप्लाई करना, ऐसा ऐड करना टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है, ऐसा काउंट करना. इसलिए हम काउंटिंग का प्रिंसिपल यूज कर रहा है. दिस इज कॉल्ड फंडामेंटल प्रिंसिपल ऑफ काउंटिंग मल्टीप्लिकेशन रूल. दिस इज कॉल्ड फंडामेंटल प्रिंसिपल ऑफ काउंटिंग एडिशन रूल. डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई आई एम सेइंग counting principle is more important than combination, permutation or any other thing in this chapter? Even if the chapter name is permutation and combination, the hero is actually fundamental principle of counting, and that is nothing new, or that is nothing that you need to by heart or anything. It is just a counting idea. Last class, do you remember football counting row or column? That is a natural thought that we have. We are just writing it as a formula or as an equation, fundamental principle of counting. So that is nothing new, that is my point. Then, this was discussed, this we will come to if time allows. Okay, now we will discuss another question which is very interesting. Yeah, this one we will discuss now, this email password question. This is a common type of question in many competitive exam. Even CSIR-NET students also, even recent questions also, you have seen this. Shaishta 900 because first 999 numbers में first 99 numbers 3 digit नहीं है. So 999 minus 99. So that is 900. All of you try 1.5 minutes. Okay, some of you already got it. Let's see. An email password must contain 3 characters. The password has to contain one numeral from 0 to 9, that is a one number from 0 to 9, one uppercase letter and one lowercase letter character from English alphabet. So number, uppercase letter, lowercase letter. Now some of you may be thinking, so the answer should be number can be filled in 9 ways, uppercase letter can be filled in 26 ways, and lowercase letter can be filled in 26 ways. Yeah, question didn't say that you cannot use the repetition of letter. So 9 into 6 into 9 into 26 into 26, you got 6760. Sorry, 67. Sorry, for 46,000. Yeah, you are getting which option you have got? Uppercase letter, lowercase letter, 0 to 9. Sorry. It is 0 to 9. So 10 possibility for the first position, not 1 to 9, 0 to 9. So 10 possibility for the numerals. So 26 into 26, 676 and 10. So 6760 you got. Is it the correct answer? No, it is not the correct answer. That is why I have taught you that anagram problem. Do you remember? Internal arrangement. B and D together. Internally B and D can be rearranged in 2 factorial ways. Same way, internally NUL can be rearranged in 3 factorial ways. Password ऐसा होना भी गलत नहीं है. Lowercase letter first, then uppercase letter, then numeral. Or I will write it systematically itself. Numeral first, lowercase, uppercase. Uppercase first, lowercase, numeral. Uppercase first, numeral, lowercase. Lowercase first, uppercase, numeral. Lowercase first, numeral, uppercase. 6 possibility for that now. So internally 6 ways, externally 6760 ways. So 6 into 6760, 40,560 is the answer. Or what is the easy way? Internal arrangement into external arrangement. Internally 3 objects can be rearranged among itself in 3 factorial ways. Externally they can be arranged according to the conditions in the question, 10 into 26 into 26 ways. So in one line this is the answer. Internal into external karna hai, that is why 40,560. Those who are still confused how that is possible, I will tell you. You try to set a password. Yeah, normally our PIN and all does not allow 3 characters, but in case you have a phone where you can enter according to this condition, you enter your password as 7B capital C and you forgot your password, but later you remember B is there, C is there, 7 is there. So you entered the password as capital C7B. Will your computer or phone allow you if this is the password and you entered your password this? And you are saying, yeah, this is the exact number, letter and uppercase letter I have entered. Lekin order galat hai to password galat hai na. Are you understanding that? So the order matters there. So you have to internally rearrange them. Is that clear? Most of you got the other answer, and the other answer is there in the options. That is what you should be careful about. Competitive exams, that is one common thing. They will set all possible wrong options in the answer option as much as possible. Exactly, Muskan. So, if that is clear, ये question देखो, बहुत ही silly question है. Simple, same idea. So, fundamental principle of counting, if you are mastering, a chapter almost 90% you have completed. Then that combination idea once in a while only it comes. But fundamental principle of counting is the powerful tool. Okay, Ayushi. Yes, Renu. Yes, Muskan. My mistake. 0 was to be included. That is why I corrected. First digit should be 10. Yes. Duration till this topic is completed now. In 10 minutes we will be able to complete, I guess, maximum. And CSIR-NET aspirants, September 2022, all question solution is available in this channel now. Check out the playlist, and for your CSIR preparation that will be very useful. The papers PYQ solutions of 2022 September. Okay, so I'll explain 5 different books PQ RST to be arranged on a shelf. Book R and S are to be arranged first and second. That is already fixed from the right. Now there is only 3 positions. Numbers के जगह letters आया तो book आया तो same है ना. Again, the problem is we try to compartmentalize each of the things and learn that anagram का एक theory है, number questions का एक theory है, password question का एक theory है, ATM pin question का एक theory है, book arrangement question का एक theory है. I don't believe in that. I believe in making you understand the concept properly so that whatever variation comes, letter के जगह book आया तो भी, number आया तो भी, ATM pin का question आया तो भी, logic सब same है. 3 पोजीशंस फिल करना है, 3 चीजें है. यहां पे चीजें बुक्स है, प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में चीजें नंबर्स था, पासवर्ड था, लेटर और नंबर था. एनाग्राम प्रॉब्लम में सिर्फ नंबर्स होगा, नंबर्स क्वेश्चन में सिर्फ नंबर्स होगा, सब सेम है. सो यहां पे ये पोजीशन फिल कर सकता है 3 वेज में. क्यों 3 वेज में? P, Q एंड T आर अवेलेबल. लेकिन एक बुक यहां फिक्स किया तो वो बुक यहां यूज नहीं कर सकता, ये दोनों बुक्स यहां यूज नहीं कर सकता. सो 3 into 2 into 1 या 3 factorial, 6 is the answer. I am not saying that in exam hall you have to write like this. In exam hall, when you realize that 3 position, 3 objects, 3 factorial, 6, over. I am teaching you the concept. That does not mean you have to write like this. As you are already convinced that 3 factorial will be the answer, directly 3 factorial calculate kariye, that is the answer. You learn a logic, you extend it, that becomes maths, that becomes your formula. The problem is we do the other way around. We by heart formula and then forget all the logic and then try to pick up objects to put into the formula. वो बहुत ही wrong way है. That is why we think that हाँ ये question different है, वो question different है, ये सारा questions different है. सारा question same है. That is what you need to understand. It's just a counting principle. Then try this. Yeah, this is an interesting one. So normally 11 to 12, 15, 12, 30. No, Biotech question have told that we already fixed the book, right, R, S na. They already have fixed. We are not allowed to change it, Biotech. That is why we didn't multiply by 2 factorial. The question says that don't take the book that is kept in the right. R, S is already fixed. You are not allowed to change it. So here what is the idea? PQRS are 4 individuals. How many teams of size exceeding 1 can be formed? With Q as a member. So Q already fixed the member है. Like previous question में वो R and S book fixed है. लेकिन यहाँ पे rearrangement नहीं है. Selection है question. Are you understanding properly? You are not given 3 people you need to rearrange. No. Rearrangement is not the idea at all. Whether they are selected or not selected is the idea. So Q already fixed है. अभी exceeding 1 के लिए Q already 1 person है. So exceeding 1 मतलब 2 people okay है, 3 people okay है, 4 people भी okay है. At least 2 people होना चाहिए. Q already एक person है. So at least 2 के लिए 1 or 2 or 3 more people we need to select. 1 or 2 or 3 more. Some people do this question like this. 1 people select करने का 3C 1 ways है. 2 people select करने का 3C 2 ways है. 3 people select करने का 3C 3 ways है. 3 में से 1 person को select करना, 3 में से 2 person को select करना, 3 में से 3 person को select करना. बहुत सही आइडिया भी है. 3C 1 तो 3 है, 3C 2 तो 3 है and 3C 3 तो 1 है. 3 plus 3 plus 3 1 7 होगा आंसर. But I will say this is not the smart way. This is the correct way but not the smart way. The smart way is you think from the perspective of each member. Here we are thinking about the number of members, but instead think from the perspective of each member. Each member का क्या क्या possibility है? Select होना या not select होना? Select होना या not select होना? Select होना not select होना? Select होना not select होना? So there are 2 ways for first person to be selected or not selected, second to be selected or not selected, third to be selected or not selected. So fundamental principle of counting say 8 ways. But 8 is not the answer, because what if all the 3 are not selected? In that case, Q only is there in the team. Question says exceeding 1. So, वो no case को subtract करना है. That is 7. That is a second approach. In this question, you may feel that this is also easy. Na? Why I am doing this way? Because for bigger number, this will be very time consuming. For example, I will tell you. Answer the same question. Instead of 4 integers, you take 10 integers. 10 integers को P, Q, R, S, T, etc. up to 10 people. Same question को 10 people है तो can you answer it? All the rest are same. 10 people है तो answer क्या होगा? All of you. 10 people है तो answer क्या होगा? ये first method में traditional approach में 10C1 plus 10C2 plus 10C3 up to 10C10 करना है. बहुत ही time consuming होगा. क्योंकि 1 person को select करके एक team बनाना 10C1 ways है. 2 people को, sorry, not 10, 9 people only. Q is already fixed. You cannot take Q anymore. Remaining 9 people only. Remaining 9 people में से 1 person को select करना 9C1, 2 person को select करना 9C2, 3 people को select करना 9C3, up to 9 people को select करना 9C9. वो बहुत time consuming है. इससे better है first person, second person, third person up to 9 person. Each person have 2 choices, either to be part of the team or not to be part of the team. हर person को same choice है ना. So 9 people है, क्योंकि Q को choice नहीं दिया है. Q already एक member है. Q को एक ही choice है. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 9 times 2 raised to 9 ways are there. लेकिन वो 2 raised to 9 ways में सारा people select ना होने वाला case भी है. वो case को subtract करना है. So 2 raised to n minus 1. But remember n is Q excluded remaining 9 people, not 10 people. So 2 raised to 9, 2 raised to 10 is 1024, 2 raised to 9 is 512, 512 minus 1, 511 is the answer. If you count all this, you will get the same answer. Check it out. So that is why I am saying, please understand the logic and use fundamental principle of counting. It's a beautiful tool which covers almost all questions in this chapter. This is so silly a question. Permutation combination भी है, coding decoding भी है. दोनों chapter का question है ये. Answer करो fast. Did you all got a basic idea permutation combination chapter क्या है, कैसा approach करना है? Those who missed the previous class, I will highly recommend watch that video also. Then only it will be complete. Now I am not saying that I have covered all the types of permutation combination question, but I am claiming that what I have taught you, with that you can develop and do any questions from this chapter if you practice more. So that practice is your turn. So that if you do, definitely इतना काफ़ी है गेट का permutation combination questions करना, CSIR-NET का करना और बाकी exams का, all the exams of your level. Yeah, I agree that CAT MAT exam में थोड़ा और higher level का question पूछ सकता है. ये जैसा क्वेश्चन भी पूछता है, थोड़ा और टफर भी पूछ सकता है. बट इफ़ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर गेट CSIR-NET सेट एग्जाम एक्सेट्रा, दिस मच आइडियाज आर इनफ. Team means team with more than one. Question is mentioning that now, Biotech, that is why. Okay, this one all of you understood very good. PQR has to be uniquely determined alpha beta. P is coded as alpha alpha. P is alpha alpha. Q is alpha beta. Uniquely coded, this is very important. So R and S को बाकी दो possibilities, दो चीज़ें 2 into 2 4 ways में arrange कर सकता है. These are the 2 ways. अभी बीटा अल्फा बचा है, बीटा बीटा बचा है. These are the 4 possibility. So R and S should be beta alpha and beta beta. Beta alpha beta beta दोनों involved एक ही option है. That is why that is the answer. I hope that is clear. Then this is actually an extension of what I have taught you. Try it. Very good question. Very good question. So can you try this? This is a very good question. Again, try it. I'll give you 1.5 minutes. All of you try. Many things I taught you today should together be applied to solve this question. Little tricky, I agree, but make a try. प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन आज मैं अपलोड करेगा इन द टेलीग्राम चैनल. Welcome Ayushi. So happy to hear Muskan. So here complement idea is also needed. Fundamental principle of counting idea is also needed. Fundamental principle of counting का last question वाला idea भी important है. So 3 Indians and 3 Chinese. So 6 people are there. How many subgroups of this group can we choose so that each subgroup have at least 1 Indian? कम से कम एक Indian होना चाहिए. Okay, let me clarify. एक subgroup के लिए 1 person है तो भी वो subgroup है. Please understand that. Some of you may be connecting it with definitions of group in your subject or group in different area. Group actually, yeah. I agree that in real life when we say about a group, more than 1 people are a group. But here you should consider at least 1 person onwards, it's a subgroup itself. Even null set is a subset. Na? Set theory idea you can use here, then it will be very simple to understand. So how many subgroups? So that every subgroup should have at least 1 Indian. Kam se kam ek Indian hona chahiye. So here you list it out. Probability chapter mein I have shown you na. List out what all can happen. Set theory idea say. At least 1 Indian. Speaking of Indians in a subgroup, either no Indian can be there or 1 Indian can be there. 1 Indian can be there or 2 Indian can be there or 3 Indian can be there. Total 3 Indians only are there. So these are the 4 possibility. इसमें हमें क्या चाहिए? ये तीनों चाहिए. ये तीनों फाइन करने से भी इजी है ना. नो इंडियन वाला केस टोटल से कम करना. टोटल पॉसिबिलिटी से नो इंडियन वाला पॉसिबिलिटी कम किया तो आंसर मिलेगा. कॉम्प्लीमेंट आइडिया. Just like we discussed in that 900 minus 19 we have discussed na. 900 or yeah, that question. 3-digit number where 2 is not immediately right of 1 or 1 is not immediately right of 2, that question. So total possibilities है. अभी total 6 people को कितना तरीके से select कर सकता है? Select करना मतलब 0 people को select कर सकता है, 1 को, 2 को, 3 को, 4 को, 5 को, 6 को. ऐसा सोचा तो 6 people को each person have a choice to be part of the group or not to be part of the group. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 raised to 6 possibilities are there. Yeah, if you want you can reduce that one possibility where no people are involved, because no people group does not make a sense. So 2 raised to 6, 64 minus 1, 63 groups are possible. 63 groups are possible. उसमें से no Indian वाला group को कम करना है. No Indians means the 3 Indians that is available ना. There is only one choice. They are not taken at all. So one choice. लेकिन वो 3 Chinese people का 2 into 2 into 2 choices है. 2 into 2 into 2 choices है. क्यों 2 into 2 into 2 choices? First Chinese person group में होने वाला केस, ना होने वाला केस. Second Chinese होने वाला, ना होने वाला केस. Third Chinese होने वाला, ना होने वाला केस. So 2 into 2 into 2, 8 possibilities are there. लेकिन वो 8 में से तीनों Chinese person not coming, not their group, Chinese भी नहीं है, Indian भी नहीं है, 0 people है, वो group avoid किया तो 8 minus 1, 7 possibility. ये 63 से ये 7 कम किया तो आंसर मिलेगा. 63 minus 7, 56 is the answer. Let me tell you one thing. If 0 people involved group, if you count also, your answer will not be wrong. Why? Because if you count, you will count it here also, here also. Then it will be 64 minus 8. 64 minus 8b same 56 hai. That is an ambiguity, but that ambiguity will not give a different answer. I hope you understood. Yeah, this is a tricky question, but the understandings from the previous questions will help you to understand this, I guess. Please respond whether you are understanding or not. हम टोटल कितना सब ग्रुप्स पॉसिबल है वो फाइंड किया, उसमें से इंडियंस नो इंडियन वाला सब ग्रुप फाइंड किया, वो तो 7 सब ग्रुप्स है. Which are those 7 subgroups? Yeah, if you want you can find those, write those 7 subgroups. Chinese 1 akela, Chinese 2 akela, Chinese 3 akela, Chinese 1 and Chinese 2%, Chinese 1 and Chinese 3%, Chinese 2 and Chinese 3%, and Chinese 1, Chinese 2, Chinese 3. But as I told, we are not having that much time to write all those things. These are the 7 subgroups where Indians are not there. इसलिए हम काउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल यूज कर रहा है, क्योंकि मैनुअल काउंटिंग टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है. गो बैक टू द फुटबॉल क्वेश्चन आई स्टार्टेड विद, काउंटिंग ऑफ फुटबॉल. वहां पे भी मैनुअली काउंट करना मुश्किल था, इसलिए प्रिंसिपल यूज किया. एंड इन द लास्ट क्वेश्चन आई एम डिस्कसिंग इन द क्लास ऑल्सो आई एम टेलिंग वी आर यूजिंग द सेम आइडिया इटसेल्फ. I hope you are understanding. Yes, Denim, it is a tough question, but I hope you are getting the idea we are using. कम से कम एक इंडियन वो सब ग्रुप में होना चाहिए. स्पीकिंग ऑफ इंडियंस, सो टोटल पॉसिबिलिटी विल बी every person either can be part of that subgroup or not part of the subgroup na. So if you are asking do you want to be part of the group, so they can say yes or no. Each of them can say yes or no na. So that are the 2 choices they are given. That means everyone saying yes or no. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 raised to 6 possibility. लेकिन इसमें सारा people no बताया तो that group have 0 people in it. That is not actually a proper group. So I will subtract that one group from the 64 groups. 2 raised to 6, 64. That 63 is the total groups. Or 63 groups. In that 63 groups, how many groups are there where 0 Indians are there? 0 Indian groups, if you subtract from total groups, you will get at least 1 Indian group. Now, at least 1 Indian group is what you need to find. That means these 3. So, 0 Indian groups is like Chinese people only you can ask whether they want to be part of the group or not. Because Indians are not allowed in 0 Indian group. So, every Indians have only one choice to say no to the idea of being part of the group. So 1 into 1 into 1 possibility only are there for them. Are you all understanding? No, Rohit, this is not based on a method. This is based on the idea we discussed. So please try these extra questions as homework. I will give the answer key also. Sorry, this we have discussed in the last class already. This also we have discussed in the last class. This you try. This is an extension of one of the idea we discussed today itself. This is also we tried. This also please try as homework. This also please try as homework. This also you can try as homework. There is a group associated with the channel. There you can discuss these also. Daily you can discuss the doubts so that we can enhance the learning experience. So I think today we can conclude here. Hope today's session was useful, and all of you who are watching this live or recorded, do let me know. Feedbacks are always welcome. Those who are watching recorded, do comment on this video what you felt about the video. That will encourage me to improve and encourage me to give you quality content. And let's conclude here. So tomorrow we'll start with the next topic. Tomorrow's topic, as per the plan, it is mathematical sequences and series. Interesting topic. So that's it. Have a good day. See you all in the next class. Check out the previous video. Those of you missed the previous lectures, especially permutation combination first lecture miss kiya to definitely watch the video. Then only you will get more clarity. So have a good day. See you all in the next class. Bye bye.